Now let's look at the hand position. So you place the hand in this way. You should imagine that you have a small ball inside your hand, really kind of in the middle of your hand. So now place the hand this way. You see it's nice and round in front of the two black keys. Imagine that there is something inside your hand. There's a small ball, then close your hand and go up. Let's do it again. Ready and go up. Let's do it again. Ready and go up. Ready and go up. Now pause the video and practice this with the right hand and left hand. Sorry, I forgot about that. So now pause the video.